Alright guys, so this piece does not start. I'm going to show you. Let me get this out. So I'll put the keys in. It doesn't start. Stick. I'm going to hit the clutch. Some neutral. Oh shit, it started? Oh god, it started. Weird. Did not want to start there then. Sounds kinda... Temperature is warmer outside. Can't believe it started. Change the time. So, well, a couple days ago I came out here and it just snowed. It was cold, and the battery's fine. The lights light up and it cranked, but it would not start. It just crank and crank and crank and not start. And it sounded good too, the cranking. And when I put the key in, you can hear the fuel pump. So I was thinking, is what's that called? The fuel pump relay that's down there. And I'll show you. And yeah, I'm gonna replace that for sure, because it just started and it's actually pretty nice outside. It's not freezing. So I'm gonna let it warm up and put the piece. I bought it AutoZone. Shitty, it was $50 though. It was like 50 something just for this. And I'll put it in. But yeah, I'm surprised it started. I guess a warm temperature, but I know when it's super hot outside, when it's really cold, it won't start, and it barely even started. So we're gonna put it in, check it out. I'm gonna turn off the car. Let's just take the keys off. It's hanging up over here. Take that off. Is there a button? Volkswagen? The piece is down here. Mine's dangling, but it should be connected to something. Okay. I should push that button right there and let go. I wonder if I can. The ground is fucking nasty. Let me put something here so you guys can see. Have a rag on. Look at the camera, see. Hopefully you guys can see. Here's the old one. Is that why he's being quiet?
He's wondering when he's sitting in the freaking car.
Here's the old piece.
His window's down. I'm pretty sure you can hear it if it starts crying.
Did the contact look? Maybe in the inside. Oh, here's the new one. Put it in too. So make sure they're the same ones. The newer one looks way smaller and lighter, but they're the same, whatever you want to call this. But I wish I would have started shitty just to let you guys hear it, but I'm gonna start it. I'm gonna start it. So this is what it was doing before. I took the part off, but this is what it was doing with the part last week when it was cold out. Hit the clutch, still in gear, neutral. That was what it was doing. Alright, so I'm going to show you with the new part. This is the new one. I'm plug it in. I have a tripod, plus down here is kind of hard to put a tripod, so I'll try and make sure you guys get a decent view or something. Kind of. Oh man. See how this is lined up like that. Did not hear a click, but it feels like it's in there. Oh, it feels like it's in there. Alright, now time to crank it. So the new part's in. Here's the old one. Old one. Let's crank it up. Neutral. Where's the keys? I was just showing people what it did without the thing. Like what I was doing before with the thing on. Here, it should start now. Baby. Man, it was so upsetting coming out here in the cold, and I was just gonna move my car up front. It didn't even start, and I was like, "Oh man, what is wrong with it?" That's what it was. See how it started without a struggle this time. All right. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully this is helpful. Yeah. Hopefully it's helpful to you guys. And yeah, I wish I could have showed you kind of step by step, but mine was already hanging down. Oh, it smells like gas, but I can see why. But I'll link this dude's video where he did this, and he took out his seat. My seats are a lot smaller compared to the stock ones, but he took out his seat and he went up there, and it should be plugged up there, whatever. And I forgot, you gotta not unscrew it, but with a bolt, and you take that out and it comes down. Mine was already hanging down, but yep, it's running good. I'm gonna let it warm up for a little bit, but yeah, here's the old one. 50 something bucks. The fuel pump relay. I know when the car doesn't crank, it's either the battery, but the battery was good because I had all my lights on, and when you crank it, the battery dies, after you do this so many times. Then I knew it wasn't the alternator, because the alternator, recharges the battery and they wouldn't even crank unless it has a little bit of juice, but you waste the juice by cranking it. And I figure maybe it probably wasn't the starter because it was cranking, and it was like healthy cranking too, or like when your car cranks at the start, it was just pure cranking, that's it, and it wouldn't start. I looked it up. I'm not a mechanic or anything. I try to do the shit myself if I think it's easy enough, so I looked it up and had the same symptoms, and I do it for cheap, guys. Let me see the back. Wow, it smells like gas from all the cranking. This is an 01 Accord Coupe. Should probably throw some trash. So I'm gonna just move the car. Shows you that it works. Fucking mud. Oh man. Sorry about the camera. There's like potholes everywhere here. Well, thanks for watching. Feels like it's doing good. And I let the car sit for a few days. I'm gonna do a little review on that. Well, not a review, but yeah, the new car. But thanks for watching. Hopefully this was helpful to most. And it's like right under here. Hey, look. But thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment if you want or not, whatever you guys want. And thanks for watching. And yeah, this car's messy. Hopefully this helps somebody out there, you know, with an Accord. Mine's just a coupe on one stick EX. Pretty sure it'd be the same for a regular 4-door LX. But thanks for watching. And you can even like solder these from the inside, but I'm not very good with soldering, so I just bought one. I really wanted to go to the junkyard and just get one, but you don't know if those work or not. They don't want to pay. But thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully I can bring more content out in the summertime. I know the LED still is falling. Maybe fix that sometime. But thanks for watching.